stress incontinence happens when your pelvic floor can't handle the pressure. And the question you want to ask is why? Not what incident, but why is that happening? When it comes to pelvic instability, the muscles inside of the pelvis have to behave differently because what needs to happen on the outside is not happening. They need to make up for it. That's a compensation. When that tightness happens, this space becomes a lot smaller and the organs that reside here can be at jeopardy. When it's your bladder, it doesn't take much for you to sneeze, to cough, to jump, and all of a sudden pee comes out. That's what stress incontinence is. So while we can do medication and maybe you get some improvement, the reality is you need to address the instability so your body parts can live authentically per design. Thanks for watching.